by the name of Jairus. He was a ruler of the synagogue. And he fell down at Jesus' feet and begged him to come to his house. He was a ruler of the synagogue. He fell down at Jesus' feet and begged him to come to his house. This guy is a ruler. He's a top guy. He's respected in the community. But although he is respected in the community, he still has a problem. He's still going through something. And he recognizes this problem, it's only Jesus that can solve it. You see, there are some problems where Jesus is the only one who is able to solve. When you are opening the door, you can open the door by yourself. When you are in the kitchen cooking something, you can do that by yourself. But there are only situations where you say, Lord, I need you to be involved in this situation. Let me tell you, when Jesus is involved in the situation in 2026, there shall be a change in the name of Jesus. And this guy was not like the other guy who said, all you have to do is send a word, and then my servant will be healed. Uti Jesu la, I don't need you to send a word. Jesu, I need you to heal my daughter. Because there are some situations that need Jesus. There are some situations where Jesus needs to be involved. Abanyabantu, they consult witches. Abanyabantu, they do evil stuff. But this situation, it needs the hand of Jesus. In 2026, we will need the hand of Jesus to touch your home. In 2026, we will need the hand of Jesus to grow the church. In 2026, we will need the hand of Jesus to turn everything in our lives. Is the hand of Jesus. Zikhona izinto ongazenza wena kodwa le idinga uJesu. Khona isituation obuyuphela ukuthi ayabona le ingaphezulu kwami le idinga uJesu.